raising the roof. The last exercise we recommend is actually a way of stepping into this world of play and directly imagining the extension and expansion of you as a playing field. Imagine that you have lived your whole life within the walls of a small house where everything you received was dropped off and pushed through a mail slot in your front door, and you dumped your trash out a chute on the side of your house. Although you know that there is a whole other world out there beyond the door, and you have read about distant places, different kinds of people and things, you have never stepped outside of your door to really experience them for yourself. Well, we are inviting you to open up that tiny house and step out in a wider world of experience. We are inviting your roof to lift off of your tiny house and for those walls of your tiny house to open, lay themselves out, and become a larger floor that will support you in your new stage of experience and action. Spend a few moments now being with this idea. Sit or lie down and imagine your body as a house. What kind of a house is it? It will feel very familiar since this is you. Get a sense of the comforts of you. Now literally feel your roof disengage from the walls and rise up. It seems that your home was made to do this quite naturally, and your walls now, at ease, open and lay themselves flat. Feel and see yourself open. Breathe. Allow yourself to feel the space. As your walls lay themselves out, imagine that you are letting down the many things that you thought you had to be, and the ideas that you think you must protect. Just for a few minutes here, allow yourself the freedom of being this open, this free and loving you. Breathe and allow yourself now to become aware of this magical world that has just been opened to you. Sit up and look out beyond your extended walls to the beautiful new world you have just opened to, and greet it. See the scene before you. As you do this, also notice any area in the body which is having trouble. If you are feeling pain or darkness in your lower back kidney area, imagine this area being an open chute through your floor and you dropping anything not needed into the space below you. Breathe deeply through the kidneys and allow you, as this house, to rise higher into the air. Jiggle your body and allow anything that needs to fall off to do so. Continue breathing into this kidney area, inviting the bright sunset or magnificent view that you are now seeing to be seen by the kidneys. Bring it down into your kidneys. You are offering yourself a vision and a setting of peace. Continue breathing and inviting the image of the beauty that you see down into the kidneys. You are feeding them. If there are any other areas that are feeling tension, bring the breath and the vision of this beautiful world to that space. All is well here, and inviting you into further exploration. If anything strange happens, like a flock of birds landing on you, play with it. This is your imagination. You have all the elements available to you, and we wish you to know that this is your imagination playing out a part of you that wants to be seen. Anything can be remedied. You have every capability right within you. Beautiful. We hope that you are now feeling open, calm, and ready for play. You may slowly bring your walls up and lower the roof back down of your house. But notice something has changed. What is it? Make note of it now and write it down. Write down the shifts of sensation and the setting. You will see a beautiful transformation as you attend to yourself and offer to yourself your own joy and freedom. Please document what your house was like and your experience, and then move forward. We hope you enjoyed this soul play. To purchase your own copy, click the link below.